How to add custom products add-on on Woocommerce. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be doing a simple and easy tutorial how you can add custom product add-ons on your Woocommerce product. So let's get into it. Now, whenever you are building your website using any kind of website builders, such as WordPress or such as WooCommerce, so over here I am trying to build my store using WordPress, and WooCommerce is one of the most popular integrations people use to create their e-commerce store whenever they are looking to build it on WordPress. Now, let's say you've begun building your product and building your e-commerce store. How do you actually get it to actually be a more customized product? If you want to add more customization to your product, how do you do that? Because a lot of the times people are finding new and innovative ways to improve their product, but they don't really know exactly how to express that on their websites. For that, you need a simple integration, and I will explain how you do it step by step. So to get started, all you have to do is click on plugins on the bottom left of your screen. You can see over here, and you can click on add new over here. So once you click on add new, just search for product add-ons. And once you do that, you will see the top search result is by Studio Wombat, and that is the plugin that you want to install. So just click on install now. And what this enables you to do is that you can add advanced product fields onto your product and make it more customizable. So you can see over here, I have activated this plugin, and you can go into the settings of this to, customize it, so on and so forth. Now you can see you have your product field settings, you have a add to cart button, you have a simple button for customer pages, but now if you click on your product fields in your WooCommerce section, you can actually add multiple different product fields. But if you click on your product over here, and if I click on edit my product, what you can see over here is now I can add the basic name, the description, and then you also have other items that you can add to your product, such as your product data, where you have a simple product, then you have your inventory, shipping, advanced, you have your custom fields. And from here, you're actually going to click on custom fields, and this is something you're not going to have if you don't add your custom plugin for the advanced product customization plugin. And this is what this enables you to do, is that you can click on custom fields over here. And once you click on custom fields, you can begin adding the field. So I'm just going to click on add new field, and this will be a text area, and I will label it as engraving. And then I have instructions. So I will add the instructions for my customer. Then you can choose whether or not this will be a required field. So let's say that this is going to be a non-required field, and then you will have the preset value when the page loads. And then you will have the placeholder text. This will appear within the input field, where you're just going to type add text here, and then you can also adjust pricing. So let's say if someone enables the product customization, you can add a standard amount onto it. So you can turn on yes, and you can charge a flat fee. You can also do a quantity-based fee, formula-based, percentage-based, and amount-based as well. But we're going to do a flat fee. So for engraving, let's say we charge $2 extra. I'm just going to enter 2 over here, and then you have repeat field. So this is a pro-only feature, so we're just going to leave that for now. And then you can create 2 conditionals. So you can see this will only show up when conditional rules are true, and you need at least 2 fields to create these. So you will just leave this as it is, and then you're just going to click on add field. Now, once our field has been added, you can see over here, our field has now been added, and I will just go on ahead and click on update over here. And now that my product has been updated, I can go on ahead and open up the product. And now my product will be customizable, so people can actually go on ahead and select the product and, customize it or add it with customization or without customization, whatever that they prefer. And in this simple fashion, you can customize any kind of product on WooCommerce. Now, there are other multiple different plugins that you can use, such as your WooCommerce cash on delivery plugin as well, which can enable you to get cash on delivery services onto your WooCommerce e-commerce platform. And they have a lot of other plugins that go hand in hand with their software. So make sure to check those out as well, just to simplify your setup and simplify the process that you're going to have using WooCommerce. Now, if I go back into my product section over here, I can click on add new. And whenever I am creating a new product, I can add customizable options in it as well. Just simply go into the custom fields, and from here I can add any kind of custom field that I want for my specific product. You can also add this for a specific grouped product or affiliate product. You can label them as that as well for certain promotions as well, and this will help you categorize different products into a specific niche, and this can help you in marketing those products to the potential customers more adequately. And make sure to share this video with anyone that you might feel like might actually need this video. Make sure to leave a like and check out the other videos on WordPress and WordPress site building. Now, I do have a couple of other tips that I love to share with you guys, so just including those tips. Now, first off is whenever you are installing plugins, try to look for a plugin that is going to actually be optimized or easily added to your original product. So if I go on to product add-ons over here, and you will see that there are multiple different product add-on plugins. So if I just simply search for it over here, and I will simply go over here, and you can see that you have multiple different product add-ons or product customizers available. Now make sure that the one that you are using is actually able to compete with the features that would be present, and make sure to actually compare the difference between the features on your standard plugin versus a plugin that you're going to add on. So I would actually recommend the advanced product fields. I do think it's one of the simplest ways to create custom products. However, if you do want to choose another plugin, then you can check these out as well. There are multiple different amazing plugins available, but make sure to keep, a good eye out on which plugins might be the best in optimization and which plugins might just enter more site burden onto your site instead of actually, helping your site out. So the more plugins you add, the more loading time that your site is going to incur for all of those plugins. So keep that in mind whenever you are adding more and more plugins to your website. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.